lions and tigers and bears. Oh, my.
Lions and tigers and bears.
Oh, my.
Speakers and lightings and tools, oh my. Speakers and destinations and lighting and tools, oh my. Speakers and lightings and tools, oh my. Speakers and destinations and lighting and tools, oh my. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Rob's Reviews and Demos. So I've been out of commission for a couple months now. Y'all know I have leukemia, and because of the chemo, I get a lot of infections. Well, this fun infection, I had an infection on the whole side of my face here. Turned out to be a life-threatening sinus infection, so I had emergency surgery a couple weeks ago, and it seems like I'm recuperating. So I got a lot of videos that I'm working on. They're coming up. Hopefully my health cooperates and gets on Team Rob here, and we'll get some videos out to you guys. So thanks for your patience. I do appreciate it, and the stuff is coming. I know I'm behind, but it is coming. And stay tuned. Cheers.